Hi, we are on session number 3 called Noticing Patterns, Seeing More. So today our focus is going to be on looking for patterns in our book. So it says, today I want to teach you that as you read more of your book, you can start to notice patterns about your character. You can start to come up with a big idea about your character. So we're going to talk about patterns that we are noticing about the BFG, things that he's doing over and over again. So the last few days we've been focusing on character traits, and we're going to use those traits to determine a theory or a big idea about the BFG and about him as a person, okay, or a giant. So on the next slide it says, today we are going to focus on the BFG. Good readers look closely for patterns as they read. Today we are going to think about some of the things that have happened over and over with the BFG and try to draw some conclusions about what kind of person he is. Okay, so we've learned a lot about the other giants, those other 9 ones, and we know that they're not like the BFG, right? They're very different. And tomorrow we're going to be doing some comparing and contrasting to the BFG. So today we're looking more specifically at the BFG. You've been doing a lot of work with character traits, and today your job is to make a list of all the things that the BFG has done over and over again in this story. So I want you to really look at that list of traits that you came up with. You can refer back to yesterday's work, okay, the character traits and the evidence from the text. So look carefully at your evidence. What are some of those things that the BFG has been doing? Think about his relationship with Sophie. What has he been doing with Sophie, okay, over and over again? So you're going to make a list of things that you've noticed that he's done over and over again. Maybe it's about nice things that he's done with Sophie. Maybe it's things that he's done to protect her. I'm just giving you guys some clues here. So I started you off with some bullet points here. You're going to make a list of the things he's done over and over again. Remember that you have access to the story, so you can listen to the story or you can look at the text. Hold on. Sorry, choking. You can look at the text and read through different parts of the story if you want to look for evidence. The things that he's done again and again. You're going to make a list maybe of like 3 things that he's done. Then it says, now, using your list, write a sentence that makes a statement about the BFG and how you know. And it says, use the sentence frame for help. So this right here is going to be a word. So if you would say, I know that the BFG is kind. He is kind because in the story, he da 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 da. Okay, so you're going to use one of those traits and then describe how you know. Okay, and you're going to make a theory about him. Okay, as a person, what kind of person is he? So that word is going to go right here, so you can type over the blanks. Okay, and when you do that, it's going to erase the blanks. Does that make sense? Okay. So I know that he is this way, and he is, so this is going to be the same word that you put here. And I know he's this way because in the story, da 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 da. Okay. So this is your job for today. So you're going to make a list of at least 3 things that he's done over and over in the story. Okay. And then you're going to make a theory or a big idea about him. Okay. What is one word you can use to describe him and how you know? Okay. So you're going to do that in this box down here. And that's your job for today. Okay. So since this lesson is a little bit short, you can use the time for some independent reading today. Okay. And remember, this is your stop sign. So that's where you're going to stop today. Okay. So look at your instructions to help you. Okay. Go through this and then answer the questions here. And then that's your stopping point for today. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions and send me a message on Schoology if you have any questions. All right. I will see you tomorrow. See you later.